Hello everybody, welcome. I've done a review for these flash drives before. I will put a link in the description and in the comments for the review I did on these. I've got 3 of them and I've just been getting comments about how to transfer things from your phone over to these flash drives. So I'm just going to quickly explain how to do that. Now, with these, there is an end for Apple phones right here. There is a USB to insert it into your computer. And if you look right here, you can see that you can clip that up. I'll show you again. Clips. Flip it up, and there is an end to insert it into an Android. Now, with my Samsung phone, this neither one of these works with my Samsung. So these flash drives come with a USB-C end or adapter. So you just put it over the USB like so. So now I can plug it into my Samsung phone. Just like that. Now, when you plug it in, it comes up at the top. USB storage added. Connected US. Tap for other options. So you can change options in it. So the USB storage is added. I'm going to click it and it shows me the it shows me the storage, everything that's on it. I'm going to use this one. So you just put the adapter on and it comes with the stick. Plug it in, and now hit USB storage added. Now this brings up on an Android app called My Files. Let me see here. The app looks like this. My Files. I don't know how well you can see that. So you go into that, and to transfer stuff over to the USB drive, you just go in to whatever folder you're looking for. Say I want this picture here on the USB drive. I am going to show you how to transfer it to the USB drive. So you hold down and see at the bottom here you've got things that pop up. You click, you can copy it to the USB drive, you can share it, you can delete it, or you can move it. We're going to hit move. Okay? And then we're going to go back over to the home folder, and we're going to click USB storage, because that's what it's called, and we're going to click move here. Just like that. And now that image is moved from the phone to the USB drive. And just to show you again, go over go over to your whatever you want. Let's go in here. Let's say I want these photos added onto my USB stick. So I would click them just like that. I would hit move. There's a copy option as well. And then see, it shows up here, cancel or move here. We are going to go back to the home, go back to our USB storage. That's the USB drive. We are going to now hit move here. Copied. Now it's on the USB drive. Now, once you get everything you want from your phone to the USB drive, and you want to disconnect the USB drive from your phone, you hit these three dots here and you click unmount. And now it's safe to remove the USB drive from your phone. And that is how to transfer photos or videos from your Android phone to the USB drive. Now I'm going to just show you here in this part of the video a clip from my last review showing how to transfer from an Apple, because I used to have an Apple iPhone 11. So how to transfer from Apple to these flash drives. With the Apple phones, you need the app that is found in the iOS store. It's called Love Share. That is the app you're going to need to be able to transfer from your Apple phone to these. So that is how to transfer from these flash drive, or from your phone to these flash drives on both an Android and an Apple phone. I hope this helps any confusion with people that are struggling on how to use this. Like I showed you before, as soon as you plug it in, it shows you right at the top, USB storage added. All you need to do to get into the storage of the USB drive is this. And to transfer images or videos from the USB storage drive to your phone is just the exact opposite. You would select what you want to transfer, hit move. We've copied these. We're going to go over to the home, go into internal storage. You can either create a new folder, that's right here, and put them in that new folder, or you can create or click a folder that's already there on your phone and just click move here. And that's how to transfer from this USB drive onto your phone. When you're done, don't forget to unmount. Now, once you've hit unmount, now you're able to safely remove the USB drive. So I hope that helps anybody that is having trouble with transferring from the phone to one of these flash drives and from one of these flash drives back to the phone. Now, when you're transferred a bunch of stuff on here and would like to put them on your computer, you just take this off if you've used the adapter, and you just plug the USB drive into your computer, and a folder will pop up showing all of your files in that drive, and you can just transfer it over to your computer. I want to thank everybody for watching, and if this helps, leave a comment down below. If you liked or disliked the video, hit one of the either the thumb up or thumb down. I appreciate all your feedback. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.